In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newspaper on Canva. We'll start right on the Canva homepage and move from finding the right template to customizing it so it looks polished and professional. The goal is to help you move quickly while keeping your design clean, readable, and on brand. First, click on the Templates tab. This is the easiest way to jumpstart your layout without building every column and header from scratch. Templates are organized by style and purpose, and they come with preset text boxes, image frames, and consistent spacing, which saves a ton of time. Next, use the search bar and type the word newspaper. This will surface a variety of newspaper style and newsletter style layouts. If you have a specific vibe in mind, try adding a keyword like vintage, modern, or school to refine the results. You'll see both free and premium options. Choose one that fits your needs and access. Now, browse through the template options. Take a moment to look for strong headline areas, clear multi-column text, space for images, and good contrast. Hover over a design to preview multiple pages, if it has them. Think about your content. Do you need space for a feature story, smaller sidebars, and a photo-heavy section? Pick a layout that already matches most of your structure so you'll do less heavy lifting later. When you've found a design you like, click Customize this template. This opens the editor with all the elements ready to tweak. You'll see pages listed on the side and the canvas in the center. From here, you can edit the template to make it yours. Start with the main headline. Double-click to change the text and keep it short and punchy. Maintain a clear hierarchy by using bold, larger type for headlines and a simpler font for body text. Replace the placeholder paragraphs with your articles, and adjust spacing so lines feel comfortable to read. Update images by dragging in your own photos or selecting from Canva's library. When you drop an image into a frame, it snaps into place. Use the crop tool to recenter subjects. Stick to high-resolution images for crisp results. Refine colors to match your brand or theme. Limit your palette to a few tones so the design feels cohesive, and keep text contrast high for readability. Use lines or simple shapes to separate sections, and lean on the alignment and position tools to keep everything tidy. Guides and snapping will help maintain consistent margins. If your newspaper has multiple stories, duplicate a finished page to keep styles consistent, then swap in new headlines, text, and images. Zoom in to proofread at 100% and make final spacing tweaks. And that's it. Your newspaper is now customized and ready to impress.